How are you, my friend? In this video, I want to share with you the benefits of lemongrass, also known as Tanglad. I hope I can help you. But before we continue, be sure to like and share this video to help others. Thank you. Let's start. Lemongrass, also known as Tanglad, offers a wide range of potential health benefits due to its rich chemical composition. Here are some of the comprehensive benefits of lemongrass. 1. Anti-inflammatory. Lemongrass contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis. 2. Antioxidant. It is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and contribute to various diseases. 3. Stress reduction. The aroma of lemongrass is known to induce a calming effect, helping reduce stress and anxiety levels. 4. Digestive aid. Lemongrass is used traditionally to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, acid reflux, and indigestion. 5. Immune boost. It contains vitamin C, which can strengthen the immune system and protect against illnesses. 6. Brain health. Some components of lemongrass may have a positive impact on cognitive function and brain health. 7. Antibacterial. Certain compounds in lemongrass exhibit antibacterial properties, which can help fight infections. 8. Heart health. Lemongrass may contribute to heart health by helping to control cholesterol levels and improving overall cardiovascular health. 9. Circulation enhancement. It may improve blood circulation, which is essential for cardiovascular health. 10. Weight management. Some studies suggest that lemongrass may aid in weight loss and muscle toning. 11. Pain relief. Lemongrass may provide relief from pain and discomfort, particularly for conditions like menstrual cramps. 12. Skin health. It can be used topically to treat skin conditions, thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. 13. Detoxification. Lemongrass tea is often consumed as a natural detoxifying agent, helping to remove toxins from the body. 14. Antifungal. It may have antifungal properties, which can be useful for treating fungal infections. 15. Respiratory health. Lemongrass may help ease respiratory conditions like coughs and colds due to its soothing properties. 16. Blood sugar regulation. Some research suggests that lemongrass may help regulate blood sugar levels. It's important to note that while lemongrass offers these potential benefits, individual responses may vary, and its effectiveness can depend on factors like dosage and frequency of consumption. As with any natural remedy, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating lemongrass into your diet or wellness routine, especially if you have existing medical conditions or are taking medications. I hope you learned something, and I helped you through this video. If you like these videos, please like and share, and don't forget to follow, so you can always be updated every time I upload a video like this. Thank you very much for watching. Until then, I'm Melvin and this is my TV.